Tonight, you don't need to fight your mind or chase sleep. In the next minutes, I'll guide you through a simple Reiki-supported practice to calm anxiety and invite deep rest. A gentle reminder before we begin: this content is complementary and does not replace medical or psychological care. If you have symptoms or a diagnosis, please follow your health professionals. If you fall asleep at any point, perfect. If you stay awake, your system will still receive relaxation. Here's our simple map. First, we create safety: posture, jaw, and breath. Then we activate the parasympathetic response using a longer exhale, especially a soft 6-second out-breath. Next, we allow warm attention through the hands so your body can let go. Finally, I'll share a tiny bedtime ritual you can keep forever. There's one subtle switch in your body that changes everything, and you'll feel it turning soon. Let your body be supported. Notice the surface beneath you. Unclench your teeth. Let the tongue rest at the floor of the mouth. Imagine your forehead widening like a calm horizon at dusk. With every ordinary breath, tell your body, "I am held." Now we meet the breath. Inhale gently through the nose for a count of 4. Exhale through the mouth for a count of 6, as if fogging a mirror softly. Again, 4 in, 6 out. The longer exhale is your message to the vagus nerve. Stand down, it's safe now. Keep the effort low, the softness high. Place one hand over your heart and one on your belly. Feel the warmth, the weight, the quiet contact. Imagine your hands glowing like little lanterns in a gentle night. On the inhale, receive. On the exhale, soften. Nothing to fix, only allowing. If thoughts are racing, let them drift like slow clouds across a wide sky. You don't have to push them away. Each 6-second exhale is a key turning in a quiet door. With every out-breath, your nervous system remembers the pathway from alert to ease. Let remembering be enough. Bring attention to the heart hand. Sense a warm, golden stream flowing from your crown to your chest to your hand. On the exhale, the stream rinses away static around the chest and jaw. If emotion rises, yawns, sighs, tears, these are forms of unwinding. Permission helps knots loosen. Shift to the belly hand. Feel the soft rise and fall. If anxiety sits high in the chest, invite the breath lower, down to the belly and the side ribs. Think of the breath as a tide arriving and receding, no forcing. The body knows how to breathe. You are simply making room. Travel to the shoulders and neck. Inhale, create space between shoulders and ears. Exhale, let them melt toward the bed. If tightness protests, greet it. You can be here. Kindness lands where force cannot. The armor of the day gets lighter when it knows it won't be punished. Now the ribcage. Let each inhale open it a little. Let each exhale settle it a little more. Anxiety loves quick, shallow breathing. You are teaching it a slower song. When the song slows, the heart rate follows. When the heart rate settles, thoughts grow quieter. Place awareness at the solar plexus, just above the belly. Worry often knots here. Instead of prying the knot, soften around it. Wrap it in warmth on the inhale, give it space on the exhale. Knots don't need orders. They need permission to relax. Send a wave of attention down the hips and pelvis. Heaviness is welcome. Heaviness means the ground is doing the holding. Imagine the pelvis widening like earth after rain. If sleepiness arrives, let it. If you remain awake, you are still moving toward rest. Down through the legs, to the calves and ankles, to the soles of the feet. Many minds settle when the feet fully rest. With each long exhale, let the soles grow heavier and warmer, as if the floor itself were breathing with you. Breathing in, you arrive. Breathing out, you let go. Let's close our first loop. I promised a subtle switch that changes everything. It isn't force, it's safety. The 6-second exhale, the soft jaw, the warm hands, these are safety cues for your nervous system. Safety invites sleep. Safety tells the mind it can stand down. If you notice a wave of relief, ride it. If you notice resistance, allow it. Both are signs that energy is moving. Your only task is to keep the breath gentle and the exhale unhurried. Every out-breath is a small door opening to a quieter room. Now place both hands wherever feels most comforting. Heart, belly, or one on each. Whisper inward. No hurry, no pressure. Feel the edges of your body blur into the space around you. The room is quiet. The night is kind. Your system knows the way home. Here is the tiny bedtime ritual I promised. Choose a short phrase that feels true. On the inhale, I arrive. On the exhale, I am safe. Or inhale, soften. Exhale, let go. Let the words ride the breath, especially the 6-second exhale. This is your pocket key for any night. If you like a tactile anchor, draw a slow, small circle over your heart for 1 or 2 breaths. Then rest the hand again and notice the warmth. Circles tell the body there is no rush. After 3 or 4 rounds, many people find they're already drifting. If that's you, allow it. Before we part, one more gentle reminder. This practice supports relaxation and can complement conventional care. It does not replace professional treatment. If you're under care, you can share what helped. Longer exhales, hand on heart, kind attention. Integration is wisdom. Now keep breathing as you wish. Quiet in, longer out. Let the lanterns of your hands dim to a soft glow, and then rest. Whether you're slipping into sleep simply settling deeper, you've done enough for tonight. You are enough. Good night.